Question is, if A, B, C are angles in a triangle, then prove that. He has given the three questions. So from the given information, we can write it as A, B, C are angles in a triangle. Then we can write A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. And the first question is cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. Okay, so now here we can apply the formula over here as cos C plus cos D for the first two terms. Okay, I'm considering the LHS, and we can apply the cos C plus cos D for the first two terms. Then the formula for cos C plus cos D can be written as cos C plus cos D is equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Now we can write over here it is as where C is equals to 2A and D is equals to 2B, and we can write this is as 2A cos of 2A plus 2B by 2 C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2 2A minus 2B by 2 plus cos 2C. And we have different formulas for cos 2C in terms of cos and sine. We can write this is as 1 minus 2 sine square C. Otherwise, the same thing can be written as 2 cos square C minus 1. And in the option we have the minus 1, then the better to use 2 cos square C minus 1 to replace the cos 2C. Then we can write 2 cos square C minus 1. Okay, so now here we can write this is as 2 cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B plus 2 cos square C. And we know that A plus B plus C is equals to 180. From this one we can write A plus B is equal to 180 minus C, and if we apply cos of A plus B over here, then cos of 180 minus theta is nothing but minus cos theta. Then we can write this as minus cos C. So now here we can write cos of A plus B as minus cos C. Then we can write this as minus 2 cos C into cos of A minus B plus, and over here we forget over here it is minus 1, and we can write this is as 2 cos square C minus 1. Now if we take minus 2 cos C as a common over here, if we take minus 2 cos C as a common, then we can write this is as cos of A minus B minus cos C, and over here it is as a minus 1. Okay, we can write in this manner, but we know that the minus cos C is nothing but cos of A plus B. So now minus 2 times of cos C into cos of A minus B plus, and we can write this as plus of minus cos C, but minus cos C can be written as cos of plus cos of A plus B minus 1. Now we can write this is as minus 2 cos C into, we know that cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B formula is 2 cos A cos B minus 1, and we can write over here this is as minus 4 cos A into cos B into cos C minus 1. Then we can rewrite this as to get the required solution as minus 1 into minus 4 cos A into cos B into cos C. This is the way of doing the solution for the problem number 1. Next question is, consider the LHS of the second question. What is cos 2A minus cos 2B plus cos 2C? Okay, now use cos C minus cos D for the first two terms. Then what is the formula for cos C minus cos D? which is equals to minus 2 sine of c plus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2. Now by using this transformation formula, we can write this is as minus 2 sine. I am directly writing it as 2a plus 2b by 2 as a plus b into sine of 2a minus 2b by 2 as a minus b plus I am writing this is as cos 2c. Okay, and here in the option we have the plus 1, so that means by the formula cos 2c, to replace with the plus 1 it is better to use 1 minus 2 sine square c, and we can write a plus b as pi minus c, and if we apply sine for this one, sine of a plus b can be written as sine of 180 minus c, which is nothing but sine c only. Now we can write minus 2 sine of a plus b. Okay, for the simplification of the steps, I can write this is as pi minus c into sine of a minus b plus, now here I can replace, why? Because I am representing sine of a plus b in terms of sine c, then it is better to use the sine formula over here, 1 minus 2 sine square c. Okay, now I can write over here this is as minus 2 sine of pi minus c as sine c into sine of a minus b plus 1 minus 2 sine square c. So which can be written as, I am writing the 1 separately, 1 minus 2 sine c into sine of a minus b minus 2 sine square c. Okay, so now here we can write this is as 1 minus 2 sine c as a common. If we take 2 sine c as a common, then we can write this as sine of a minus b plus sine c, sine of a minus b plus sine c, and we can write this is as, from the given information, angle c can be written as pi minus of a plus b. Then if we apply over here the sine c is equals to sine of pi minus of a plus b, which is nothing but sine of 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta only. Then we can write this is a sine of a plus b, and now I am replacing over here minus 2 sine c, okay, minus 2 sine c into sine of a minus b. So for the simplification I am writing over here this is as sine of, I can write this is as pi minus of a plus b. Then here we can write this is as 1 minus 2 sine c into sine of a minus b plus sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta only, sine of a plus b, and we know that the formula for sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b is yes 2 sine a cos b. It is 2 sine a cos b, and then we can retrieve the information from the given LHS as 1 minus 4 sine a into cos b into sine c, which is our required solution. The next question is cos 2a. The LHS of the third question is cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c. And for the first two terms, we can use cos c plus cos d formula. From this one, we can directly write this as 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Directly we can write 2 cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b minus cos 2c, minus cos 2c, and we can write this is as cos a plus b. Okay, over here we can write this as cos of a plus b is, so if we apply cos over here we can write this is as cos of a plus b is equal to cos of 180 minus theta, 180 minus c, which is equals to minus cos c. So now we can write this is as minus 2 into cos of a plus b can be written as minus cos c into cos of a minus b. Okay, here we are in the option we have the cos c. That means the cos 2b has to be represented in terms of the cos c. The best formula use over here it is for the cos 2c is 2 cos square c minus 1, and from this one we can write this as 2 cos c into cos of a minus b minus 2 cos square c plus 1. Okay, so now we can write this is as 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b minus 2 cos square c, and by taking 1 minus 2 cos c we can write this is as cos of a minus b plus cos c plus cos c. And now if we apply cos, we can write angle c is equals to 180 minus a plus b. If we apply the cos, we can write this is as what is cos of pi minus a plus b as minus cos a plus b, minus cos a plus b. Now it is 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b, and here we can increase the simplification steps by writing as cos c as 180 minus of a plus b, 180 minus of a plus b. Then directly we can write over here it is 2 cos c into cos of a minus b. Now here we can write minus cos of a plus b. Why? Because cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Then we know the formula for cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is nothing but 2 sin a sin b. Okay, 2 sin a into sin b. Finally we can retrieve the solution. The RHS is 1 minus 4 sin a into sin b into cos c. This is the way of finding the solution for these transformation problems.